Hi viewers, so this is the solution to the BECE Mathematics 2023 I posted a few days back. So I've solved the problems. I'm going to be explaining it now. So now if you look at this question number 1, it says factorize mx minus my minus nx plus ny. So what you're going to do there is that you are going to join those ones that have common terms together. You see that we have hem in this one, we have hem. We also have n here, we have n here. So you factorize it. So hem is common, m will be outside. Then n is common, n will also be outside. So by the time you put everything in bracket, you are going to have hem into open bracket x minus y close bracket minus n open bracket x minus y close bracket. You see that we have x minus y, so you pick one. Then we also have m minus n, that's the second one. So the answer is D. Then the number 2, we have 3a squared plus 7a minus 6. So think of two numbers that when you multiply it will give you 18. That the first thing you multiply, that 3 times minus 6 will give us minus 18. Now think of two numbers that when you multiply you are going to get 18. But when you subtract one from the other you get 7. So that's 2 times 9. 2 times 9 will give us what? 18. Then 9 minus 2 will give us 7. So that means 9 times minus 2 will give us minus 18. So that by the time you substitute into the expression, you will have 3a squared plus 9a minus 2a minus 6. So factorize 3 is common, a is also common, open bracket a plus 3. Then 2 is common here, minus 2, open bracket a plus 3. So by the time you open the bracket, you get the same answer. So the answer is C. Then this one, the number 3, you have to simplify. To simplify, what you do is to find the LCM. Now in finding the LCM, as you can see, we have 5x here, we have x here. So what we are going to do is we are going to take 5x because x can go in 5x, then 5x can also go in 5x. So that is the reason why I'm choosing the 5x as my LCM. Then 5x goes in 5x, 1. 1 times 3 will give me 3. X goes in 5x, 5. Then 5 times 2x minus 1. As you can see it here. So by the time you open the bracket, you're going to have 3 minus 10x plus 5. So minus 10x plus 5 plus 3 will give me minus 10x plus 8 over 5x. So the answer is E. Then the next one is solve 3 minus k over 3 equals 1. So if you want to solve this kind of question, you can do it in two ways. The first way is by sending the minus k over 3 out and bring in the 1 so that the sign will change. The minus in the k over 3 will change, while the plus in 1 will turn to minus. So 3 minus 1 will give us 2, while k over 3 equals to k over 3. So by the time you cross multiply, you are going to have k equals to 2 times 3, which is 6. So the answer is C. Then the number 5, this one is inequality question. So you are going to open the bracket, and after opening the bracket, you collect the like terms. So when you send minus 2 to the other side, it becomes plus. Then divide both sides by 2, you are going to have x is greater than 2 whole number, 1 over 2. So the answer is C. Then the number 6, when 15 is added to 1 over 4 of a number, the result is 4 times the number. Find the number. So since we don't know the number, let the number be x. See that I'm using x. Then 15 plus 1 over the number equals to 4 multiplied by the number. So that will give me 15 over 1 plus x over 4. If I find the LCM, I'm going to have 4 times 1, 4. So 1 goes in 4, 4. 4 times 15 will give me 60. Then 4 goes in 4, 1. 1 times x will give me x equals to 4x. So when you cross multiply, you are going to have something like this. You collect the like terms, divide both sides by 15, you are going to have 4. So our answer is B. Then the number 7, find the value of P if 2P equals to 15 minus P. So this one too, you are going to collect the like terms. Bring in minus P, it turns to plus. Then send, okay, the 15 outside already, so divide both sides by 3. That will give you 5. So D is the option for the answer. Number 8, solve the equations 2x plus y equals to 4 and x plus y equals to 2. So this one is simultaneous equation. Now, in simultaneous equation, you check the expression there. Do we have any common term? Yes, we have y and y. So subtract equation 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. So when you subtract, you are going to have 2x minus x will give us x, y minus y will give us 0, then 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. So substitute to any of the equation to get the value of y. So the correct option for the answer is D. So that is the answer to the first page. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.